beautiful dreams to life.
Got really good base. We had to lift it up quite a bit, and you can see the height difference. That's how high it was supposed to be, the height of the grass, right? But what we did is a transition, coming down from the stairs like that nicely, right? Added this stair, you know, had less of a step coming out of the house, lifted the deck, you know, and then just transitioning down. So at least now they can be in their backyard.
The River Rock is already out on site.
10-4. 2 5-gallon buckets sitting there ready to go. 10-4. Yeah, so I'm quite pleased.
Yeah, yesterday we picked stone product and got stone that would match both deck and kind of house and kind of give us a nice earth tone, so that we didn't have you know, too much of any one tone coming out, that we can add to and complement it with our furniture and the fireplace and everything else that's coming. So our next step after the patio is now in. We've got sanding that happens and cutting and border and all that's kind of complete. We're waiting for the hot tub. When it comes, then it gets installed, and then a lot of the final pieces on the deck can be completed. The shed is also in progress and is being built, and we'll be bringing that in. And we have plantings that need to go around against the house and around the outside perimeter of the hot tub, and we'll get those in and completed, so that it's a completed package, that that corner, you know, coming out of the house and coming down is all complete.